Okay, hello. It's been a little while. Not actually on this channel, on my main channel it's been a while, but anywho, I'm taking a little break. But anyway, what I wanted to say was I tried to make another custom, and I didn't film it this time, but I think I did alright. So I didn't really have a goal in mind, I just started throwing stuff together using my arts and crafts, I would say skills, but just my arts and crafts really, and I created an abomination. Yeah. Basically, yeah, I created my own character, I suppose. Doesn't really have a name, but anyway, let's just start with the review. Okay, but anyway, there's your intro. This is the main thing we are going to be looking at. Yeah, it definitely totally cost me $1, and I definitely didn't just find that sticker and just put it on it. Anywho, this is my own custom character. I don't know, I just made it because I was bored and I felt like arts and crafting. Anyway, I call this guy 1143 because that's how many subscribers my main channel had at the time. Yeah, so this is the all-new Thomas and Frick This is the all-new Thomas and Frick Trackmaster. Yeah. It's the unmotorized engine, and it's by Fish. Yeah, ages 3+ because... Oh wait, maybe I can't use it now because it's ages 3+. Anywho, yeah, I like this packaging. It's probably the closest thing I'll ever get to real old Trackmaster stuff that's actually in box, but anywho. I've got my knife. Let's cut into this thing. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is satisfying. The closest I'm gonna ever get to unboxing. Oh yeah. Now we have the instructions, so let's take a quick read of this.
Yep, these are definitely instructions. The toy train 1143, a delightful classic, encapsulates the charm of vintage playthings, crafted from robust materials. Its design harkens back to a simpler era, where imagination powered endless adventures. This miniature locomotive, printed in vibrant hues of red and blue, features intricate details from its tiny windows to its smokestack, sparkling joy in children and collectors alike. Using the toy train 1143 is wonderfully straightforward, reminiscent of traditional toys that require no batteries or complicated mechanisms. To set it in motion, you simply place it on a flat surface, preferably on track, that complements its size. With a gentle push, the train glides smoothly thanks to its well-oiled wheels and perfectly balanced chassis. The friction between the train's wheels and the surface propels it forward, mimicking the real-life motion of a locomotive. Children often find joy in pushing the train back and forth, creating their own narratives of travel and adventure. The act of pushing engages their motor skills, while the simple mechanics of the toy foster a deeper understanding of cause and effect. As the toy train 1143 chugs along, it not only entertains, but also educates, making it a timeless treasure in the world of toys.
Yeah, amazing. I definitely didn't get ChatGPT to write that. I mean, who? I didn't make this. I bought this for $1. Anyway. Choo choo. Okay, here is the engine. Oh, I gotta... There we go. So here is the engine, 1143. Yeah, I don't know, this is kind of cringe, but check it out. It is so much better than my last custom, and it actually looks sort of like an engine. Yeah, I don't know what to say about it. Let's get to some cool features. We have a face. We have painted buffer beams, front and back. It has 6 wheels, which, for whatever reason, the normal ones don't, so that means my train is better. In my strange headcanon, this thing has its powered wheels at the back. For whatever reason, I don't know if that makes sense or not, but anywho, that's my headcanon. We have a coal bunker, which is absolutely massive, and it's definitely not tiny. We have a funnel and a dome. Definitely not made out of computer screws. And we have a hacked-in front coupler. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to say about it. It's my custom train. It's alright, I suppose. Like, I'm happy with it. I don't know if the wheel configuration makes sense or not, but that's just what I did, and that's my creative imagination, I suppose. It's blue. It's blue with more blue lining, I suppose. I don't really know what I was going off. I wasn't basing it off anything. I like how the tanks turned out. I'm proud of the tanks. They look nice. I like that. I like that a lot. The coal bunker was a bit of an afterthought, but it works. It also has a light on the back. Is it centered? Maybe it's not centered. That doesn't matter. The roof is very square, but that's alright. Let's put it up against a normal Trackmaster. This is a Thomas train that I bought from the op shop the other day. Yeah, so I have another one to the collection. It's metallic, metallic or chrome. It doesn't have side rods. But basically I swapped the chassis because it ran better with the other Thomas. So this is the worst chassis, but that's alright because it's special edition, it won't be running much. Well, I don't know what I'll do with it, but anyway, there's a normal size Trackmaster, and then when we put in 1,143 against it, yeah, it's a little big. It's not as big as all engines go. I tried to make it about the same size, but you can't even see. Where's Thomas? Anyway, it's fine. I'm alright with it. But yeah, let's give it a shot. Let's give it a run. Yeah. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Okay, yeah, so it doesn't actually have a motor in it, but I mean, we can look at it. It looks nice on the tracks. Yeah, I suppose just push it along and yeah, it'll be fine. Here we go, this'll work now. This is definitely a van and not a Toby in disguise. But anyway, it's hooked up and let's give it a run. Wow. So that was the engine. I already forgot its number. 1143. If you have any names for it, leave it in the description, but as of right now it's just called 1143. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing my creation. And anyway, I suppose I'll see you guys in a later video. So yeah, good night. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.